Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add Outlook Calendar to Calendars app on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we swipe up to go down and tap on Calendar. Next, we go down and tap on Accounts. Then tap on Add Account. Next, tap on Outlook.com. And then in here, you need to sign into your Microsoft account. So put in the account and tap on the next button. Next, put in the password and then tap on the sign in button. Okay, so once you put in the password and verify your account, you can now go in here and make sure Calendars is turned on. By default, it is turned on, so all you have to do is tap on Save, and the account has been added. Alright, now we swipe up to go back to the home screen and open up the Calendar app. In the Calendar app, tap on Calendars at the bottom here, and then you can see at the top here, it has the Outlook Calendar added, so you can choose what to show. You can show birthdays in Outlook Calendar, or you can show or hide the Outlook calendar. You can also add in or hide US holidays. And then just tap on Done to finished. And that's it. That is how you can add Outlook calendar on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.